The next money tip in order to become a millionaire is invest in self-education. Now listen, I don't care if it's a book, I don't care if it's a seminar, if it's an online program, whatever it is. The way that I look at it is, let's say you spend $100. Let's say you spend $1,000. Let's say you spend even $10,000. Do you believe that if you even learn one thing from it, your capacity and your ability to earn income over the space of the next year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years will increase because of it? Let's say you want to learn one very specific skill that could help your career or your job. And there's an online course and it's $150. Do you think that that $150, let's break it up over the space of the next 1 year. Do you think that that $13 or whatever it is monthly for the space of the next year would help you make more than $13 a month or increase your chances of getting a 5%, 10%, 30% pay increase, once again, if you're at the right company? Do you think that that little $150 course did, by the way, you saved money on because you didn't go out drinking that month. You committed that you're going to become a person of value. You're going to become a person who can earn more money because they bring more value to the market, whether that be through a business, solopreneur, through a career, whatever it is you choose. Sit there and ask yourself, do you back yourself?